Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. Today we're looking at a Honda Vocal 50. Sorry for the alarm in the back, can't change that. 1983 bike with very low kilometers, under 8,000 kilometers on the bike, in really nice condition. Very straight bike and very original. Not a even bolt or anything on this that isn't original. Cute little thing for commuting in and out of town. We've done the full works on it. Tires are good, oil service, everything like that. Ready to rock. You'll see I'm going through the tires here, the rear, front and rear tires. Condition of the bike here, you can see little things here. That's actually just rubber which should come off. In the footwell area, I mean, you can see the kilometers are definitely genuine. This is usually where you see kind of footwell area will be getting used and abused here, but all is that is good. You can see original bolts from Honda. Nice beige seat, complements the kind of navy blue. Up over the top then we have two keys on her as well, and we have the clocks here with only 7,658 kilometers. It's electric start as well, which is on this side here. Indicators, mirror, everything like that, ready to go. And I really enjoy these little bikes. They're super cute. And if you have an interest in that, then stay tuned with us here, and we'll go for a spin on it. Okay, we're on to the little Vocal here. 50cc thing. Starter, get on her, brake in, and here. So away we go. I mean, I'm a taller individual, and I still fit on her, which is a surprise. But they're such good fun, these things, and they're pretty quick. They're not to be just because their size is small. They're not for what they are. Little 50cc. A lot of them will beat for speed wise a lot of the modern 50cc's, which are limited to 45 kph. This certainly off the line feels a lot nippier than those newer models that I've ridden, kind of post 2015 Honda or 49cc mopeds. But this would be absolutely perfect for commuting in and out, nipping down the bus lanes. It's super small, very nice and thin, fit down the side passage easily, and do a really good job of getting you in and out of where you need to go. And a beautiful little bike, super nice. And I just zip this up here, and if he can get on his side of the road, that would be great. We're doing 45 kph uphill, which is very respectable. We're reaching 40 at the top here. Very respectable indeed. And with these bikes, especially these older ones, the more they're ridden, the better they get, because all the rubbers and all the seals and everything kind of starts to mold in again after being used. And a lot of times they do get better as you use them, just because they just haven't been used. So we're heading down the hill now. And we're doing 50 kph very easily. Probably do up to 60 kph top speed. Super easy to ride. If you're looking to get something that you've never ridden a moped before maybe, or whatever, this is probably quite attractive because it's so easy and small and light. They're just so light, it's like a bicycle essentially. It's like there's hardly an engine attached to the thing. But turn left here and we'll go around the estate, and we're turning left again where we'll go over the electrics. I'm going to pull up a bit shorter because there's some children playing there, so I'm just going to, actually I'll pull into the right here so that we don't get in the way of this car coming down. But I'll put her up on the main stand. You'll see her idling nicely. Little tings. That's a Vocal 50, and we'll check all the lights and everything like that, and the indicators: front left, right front, right rear, and left rear, as well as the horn, all working really nicely. That's it now for the Yamaha, or Honda Vocal I should say, If you have enjoyed the video up until now, please do leave a like, comment and subscribe. And if you do want to reach out to us on our socials, they are at Retro Bikes Dublin for Facebook and Instagram, and our official website is www.retrobikesdublin.com. Thanks for watching.